Rover? I think that's Rover. Hey, Rove. How are you doing? You wanted to hang out in the truck for a little bit? Want another one? Come on out. Actually, I don't think it is. He doesn't have it.
Put open the window if you get a chance to, maybe jump out that way.
There's a screen on it, though.
Oh.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. If you go down, if I come behind you and you go down, you want to go down? Yeah, you just want to sit right there? Come here. There you go. Whoa, you almost had it. There you go. All right.
Step over and maybe he'll shoot up.
That's
gotta hurt.
Yeah, God, I hope he's all right.
No, they're resilient animals.
There you go. Whoa, you almost had it. Rover?